Hello guys, welcome to Smart Tutorial. Please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, today my topic is differences between retesting and regression testing. So it is a very popular interview question also. So I'm going to explain you differences between retesting and regression testing. So what is retesting? Retesting is done to ensure that the bug found has been fixed or not. Example, suppose tester found any bug, then they send the bugs to the developer or the development team for fixing the bug. After fixing the bug, developer send that bug again to the tester for retesting the bug. So it is called retesting. And what is regression testing? Regression testing is done to check any code changes and new functionality added have not destroyed any previous functionality of the software. So it basically check the code changes has not done any effect on the previous functionality of the software. Example, suppose after testing login functionality of the software, developer add new forget password functionality in the software. Then testers or testing team again check previous functionality like login page or existing functionality of the software. Okay, so wait for my next video. Thank you.